Hello, I want to make you aware of a new feature in QuickBooks Online that will help you with your reconciling. And this feature has not been rolled out to every account yet, and it is not available for every bank. So you'll just have to check and see if you have it available, but it is definitely worth checking because it's a huge time saver. So what I'm talking about is the view statements feature. If you go into the reconciliation screen, so if we navigate to the gear icon into reconcile, you'll be taken into the reconciliation screen, and if you have this option, you will see a button here, and this sample account doesn't have it, so I can't show you exactly, but you'll just see a button right here that says view statements. And if that is active, sometimes you have to reset your bank connection, and that's really easy to do. But if this is available, then your bank statements will feed right into QuickBooks. So you don't have to log into your bank account to access the statements. You can just pull them up right here, and you will be able to have your statements handy so that you can do your reconciliation. So just be aware of that and check it out in your own account and see if that feature is available.